Now it's time for the second most important module of Speechace. I have to click on Home. When I press the back button, please click on Speaking Test. You would be directed to the page wherein you can appear for your Speechace speaking test, which, as it says, is unbiased, comprehensive, engaging, and it's instant. So the biggest advantage is that it is instant. Now you have to press Take the Test. There are many topics, as there were many topics in the general practice modules also. So probably I would like to talk about health. Please click Begin. Then I press Begin. So click on Start Recording and say, hello, how are you? So I click on Start Recording and say, hello, how are you? And then I click on Stop Recording. Hello, it says back. That means the software was able to listen to me. And she says that she can listen to me. And now I have to start the test. What are some of the common health problems seen in your country? So that is my question. Now I've got the preparation time of 30 seconds. I'm thinking, and I may answer, well, some of the common health problems which are seen in my country include obesity, hypertension, diabetes, child obesity, etc. And my answer is being uploaded. Now it's time for me to answer the second question. What are some things you do to take care of your health on a daily basis? Again, I would be given some preparation time, which is 30 seconds. And I exit my preparation at my own will. And now I try to answer. Well, I am quite health conscious as a person and do realize that on daily basis we really need to do at least something about our health concerns every day. As far as I am concerned, I exercise daily, go for a walk, make sure that I am eating a balanced diet and try to stay away from junk food. And then I can press Stop Recording, since this is just a sample answer. My second answer is also being uploaded. Students, please remember that there would be 3 questions in this module. Now the question is, what are the pros and cons of having free health care for all citizens? The preparation timer has begun. I exit preparation. In my opinion, there are advantages as well as disadvantages of providing free health care for all citizens. I believe that children and old age citizens should be given these benefits, since they can no longer provide for the country's expenses. I do believe that if everyone is given free healthcare services, then the treasury of any nation is going to suffer a lot. I press stop recording. Now I have answered all the 3 questions that were asked by the interviewer. My answer is being uploaded. And I have got the result. The result is instant summary of the scores, wherein I can see that in my Speechace I've got a 6.7 on 9, and in pronunciation it's 7.6, fluency 6.7, vocabulary 6.1, grammar 6.5. That makes my overall score as 6.7. Then the CEFR grade is also given. So I'm given a grade of B1 plus. My IELTS score would be 6.5 based on all the parameters. My PTE score would be 56 on 90. My TOEFL score would be 22 on 30. And my TOEIC score would be 140 on 200. So this is how you are given a detailed scorecard. I can always retake the test. Thank you. Happy learning.